Today we're making homemade chicken noodle soup. Come on in, welcome to my home. Why is it that at this time of year I always have way more to do than I have time to do it? So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I've got a ton of things I have to do, and well, I just need to do it. So I'm going to prepare the chicken noodle soup, and today I'm going to let everything do the work for me instead of me doing it. I'm just going to use my slow cooker and just get going using it all. So let's start. All the ingredients are listed down below. I'm going to take carrots, celery, and onion. Coarsely chop those and put them in my slow cooker. This is the easy part. Then to that I'm going to add 1 bottle of beer. You can use whatever kind of beer you have, whatever kind of beer is your favorite. Go ahead and add that. Then we're going to add to that water, chicken broth. To that we are going to add our herbs. Now the herbs that I had on hand were rosemary and thyme. My parsley looked a bit bad, so I didn't even try to use the parsley. I put that into the slow cooker. Now you will be able to flavor it with salt and pepper to your liking. Don't forget the garlic. Always add garlic whenever you can add some garlic. You can add as much garlic or as little garlic as you want, and you can add as many vegetables or little vegetables as you want. Just like this time I used a small onion instead of a large onion because Mom doesn't like too much onion. I personally love onion. So I put all those in the slow cooker, put the lid on, and I'm putting that on high for about 3 to 4 hours. Then I'll put it down to low, let it do its thing. But you're saying, well, where do the noodles come in? Well, if you've seen my video on how to make homemade noodles, just click that eye in the sky. It'll take you to that day. I'm using those homemade noodles, and those noodles are so easy to make. If you don't want to use those homemade noodles, go ahead and use just store-bought egg noodles. Here's the big thing where I made my first mistake as I was testing out this recipe. I put my noodles in at the beginning. Whoa, was that a big, huge mistake. The noodles, and not all homemade noodles, will stand up to that long of cooking. You don't need to do that. So what I do is I'm going to add about 30 minutes before I'm going to eat my soup, I'm going to go ahead and put in our homemade noodles and cook them till they're al dente. Everything's all ready. Then I can dish that up and it is all ready to go. And it is so good, steaming hot and wonderful. I love making this recipe. It's so easy to do, takes very little time, and I can get back to cleaning up my kitchen and all the other things I have to do. I think I have to go to the grocery store today. Yeah. And that's one thing I love about fall. Fall keeps you busy. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.